Hey guys, and this video we are gonna assemble the Hyosung GB250 completely. So it's been a long time since I posted the first videos. So let us completely assemble the vehicle and see how it looks. So as you guys could see over here, there's a bit of rust on this handlebar. So it happens because of the vehicle standing in complete rain, and there's no greasing on the handlebar accelerator. And one more thing, if you're opening up these switches, try to lube it inside or pack it with grease so that the contact points would be good. This is the accelerator throttle. Okay, so there should be enough grease inside it so that when you are twisting the throttle, these things will not happen. So one thing you can do is you can buff it out, or you can do the same thing which I am doing right now, applying with the grease. So here what I have done is I have painted the brake reservoir. So that's the reason why I am removing it. The major issue in this vehicle is this disc brake caliper. One of the piston is getting locked. Okay, it's not coming out completely. So it's because it got rusted, or the O-ring oil seal is a bit damaged. That's the issue. So it happens why? Because if you're not lubing the brake caliper and cleaning it properly, this thing happens. So here I'm using a C-clamp to push the piston inside. So guys, 60% of the vehicle assembly has been completed. So stay tuned, I will post more videos on this. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe.